Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Barry Fine, CEO of QTA, and I am here today to introduce developed and implemented the only aftermarket permanent solutions to corrosion issues that plague several mid-sized corporate jets.
Many super mid-sized corporate aircraft are susceptible to inlet corrosion, which usually occurs in 3 to 5 years from first delivery. Once an inlet inner barrel has corrosion, there is no way to remove it. The corrosion starts inside the honeycomb cells and works its way out to the acoustic screen. This will result in 5 events: complete failing of the structural integrity of the inlet, disbonding of the acoustic screen from the inner barrel, followed by engine ingesting the screen, extensive AOG downtime, major maintenance headaches, significant expenses added to the 96-month inspections. QTA has developed an FAA-certified permanent solution called the Inlet Upgrade Program, which is approved worldwide and replaces the corroding aluminum inner barrel with a one-piece carbon graphite unit that will never fail. The repairs offered are failing in 3 to 5 years, and replacing the inner barrel with the same material has only one result: it will fail again. By replacing the aluminum inner barrel with carbon graphite inner barrel, we eliminate the root cause of the corrosion. The QTA inner barrel is twice as strong, lighter in weight, and enhances the acoustic effects, and it will never fail. No matter the severity of the environment the airplane operates within, your QTA upgraded inlets will never fail. The QTA inlets carry a lifetime fully transferable warranty that protects every owner for the life of the aircraft. The warranty automatically transfers to a new owner and therefore adds value for the life of the airplane. Lifetime actually means lifetime. An upgraded QTA permanent solution carbon graphite inlet barrel with acoustic screen are backed by our lifetime structural warranty assigned to the aircraft serial number and is fully transferable. In addition, QTA inlets are covered by a $50 million product liability insurance in perpetuity placed with Lloyd's of London, which also covers loss of use. Your upgraded inlets manufactured in accordance with our SCC are considered a new part by the FAA, not a repair. We are the only OEM that gives you a new inlet that will never fail, plus a lifetime warranty and product liability insurance. Buying another new part from the original OEM or from a repair shop only guarantees one result: failure. We see why so many operators have chosen the QTA permanent solution. Over 270 inlets have been delivered since the start of the program. With over 3 decades in the application of advanced composites for noise attenuation, structures and corrosion solutions, QTA is the only composite inner barrel solution approved worldwide by the FAA, EASA, Canada, Mexico and Brazil. No more expensive MSP Plus programs are required with the QTA lifetime warranty and the extensive product liability insurance. Contact us to find out more and reserve your spot for the upgrade.